Alright, so this Singapore Airlines Airbus A380. This is flight number 423 going to Singapore from Mumbai. Flight time about 5 hours. As you can see there at the background, 747. And this is Airbus A380. Super cool, right? Yep, flight time gonna be around 5 hours from Mumbai to Singapore.
Thai Airways flight 318 to Bangkok Suvarnabhumi is ready for departure at gate 7.
Everybody's waiting here right now at Terminal 2, gate 46. 46, alright. We'll be boarding very soon. Schedules take off in 40 minutes, so we'll be boarding pretty soon. Very, very soon. All right, everybody. Hope you all have a wonderful night now. Goodbye now from Mumbai. Right?